All right, so this is a crypto, like many of the cryptos right now, many of the good cryptos. We're looking at a name that has capitulated really hard here. This ticker is FLR. They actually have a really big partnership with XRP. They're doing stuff on their ledger, like paying you yield by staking XRP on their website. It's a very interesting project, very interesting partnerships, right? So we're looking at this chart here, and you can see if I zoom out, okay, we go. This data here goes all the way back to 2023, October, January 28th or something like that, 2026. So about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, okay, we were back down here at this level, right? So we're literally sitting at the 2.5 year low at the moment, meaning the prices haven't been this cheap in 2.5 years, okay? So when you're investing into an asset, and I get some of you guys' comments asking me if it's a good time to buy. Well, I just look at the charts to determine if it's a good time to buy. I never know what a company or a stock's going to do, right? A stock can go bankrupt overnight and go to zero, right? There's always risk no matter what. No strategy online is 100%. This strategy is not 100%. Any strategy that you see online is not 100%. But the key is to diversify and to just play it smart, right? You want to buy good quality names, good quality assets. You don't want to buy meme coins or penny stocks or these names that you think are just going to go 10, 20, 100x, right? Those are the risky ones. Okay, but then there's projects, right? And I'm not saying this isn't a risky project, right? I'm just saying it has interesting partnerships. And what we're looking at is a chart, right? We can see the price data. Like everything we do here goes off data. We act on logic here, not emotion, okay? Down here, I just did a video on, right, the psychology of the market. When things are going down, people aren't excited. People are excited up here. This is where the majority of retail wants to buy, is when things are going up, up, and away. You look at silver and gold right now, everyone's talking about metals. Why is everyone talking about metals right now? Why is everyone talking about silver and gold? Because it's all the way up here at all-time highs. Look at the move it's had, right? This is exciting. This is when people are singing yippee-ki-yay. Okay, they're having a good time. They're telling everybody how great they are, right? It's wonderful, right? It's awesome. It's what we invest for. Like, we want moves like this. This is a very impressive move. Okay, but then you look at something like what we were just on. Let's just go back to Flare. Again, I use tons of examples on my page. We track a lot of names, about 400 names here on this channel. So we try to just look at the good quality assets, okay? So Flare is back down here at the 2.5 year low. If something's at the lowest price in 2.5 years and it's a good asset that you think is going to recover and end up going higher over time, then yeah, if it's at a 3 year low, you should be calling it altcoin season, right? In my opinion, altcoin season is the season where you want to be buying. Okay, the majority of people call this altcoin season. This is when we want to sell. Altcoin season is when things are down in the dumps, when things have pulled back and are sitting down here at 2 to 3 year lows.